stained glass windows in here. Different designs. The toast is a wee bit faint today, and we're having apple juice, and I've got ordinary tea because there's no Earl Grey tea bags. We've arrived at Castle Car Park in Knaresborough, and we're in sight of the castle. We're just going to get a ticket and we'll show you around. Yeah, that's the actual castle. And it took to 4 hours for £1.60. You see the scale of it, there's Christine. There's the viaduct and the River Nid. The viaduct has trains over it. These mythical creatures are peeping over here. There's one for Sophie.
What a purple one.
He's sticking his tongue out. Cheeky. And of course a mermaid. We know this chap. The hawk. Lord of the Rings, really? Christine's made a friend. And it's a girlfriend. Would you believe this is an 18th century fire engine? There's a man cleaning the windows. And that's a wool shop. We both got green tea, one for me and one for Christine. Looking forward to that, Dal? Christine's having tea. We're both having a cream tea with a cup of tea. We're back at Knaresborough Castle after our lovely scrawny lunch. But the lady's not back from her lunch yet, so we're going to sit in for a little wait. There's kids playing on the green and all sorts. There's a few more people out in boats. There's some stones here from the King's chamber. There's a picture of what he should look like.
How you doing?
That's incredibly heavy stuff, that. Try lifting it. Whoa! We're in the dungeon. Can you see where the bars would have been in there? We're back in the hotel room and having a cup of tea, and I'm having a caramel wafer. Having a couple of hobnobs.